How to pay Amazon Prime monthly. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's guide video, I will simply guide you through the steps on how you can pay for Amazon Prime subscription monthly, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now there are two types of subscription for your Prime Video. One is the annual subscription which you pay yearly, and the other is your monthly subscription. So by mistakenly or accidentally you might have taken the annual subscription and now instead you decide that you want to pay for it monthly. But remember that once you've already paid for the annual subscription, you cannot get a refund. However, if you have a normal subscription and if you want to buy Prime Video, you can still do it. Now for this, all you have to do is from your mobile phone or your tablet or your PC, just go to amazon.com and then make sure that you're logged into the account. Then click the account and list option from the top right, and then just hover over to the option where it says account, as you can find here. As you click the account option over here, you will find this option known as Prime, so make sure to just click the Prime option here. Now if you don't have a Prime membership, all you have to do is just click the start your free 30-day trial option. If you do have, then you'll be able to find the option to enter your card details such as your debit or credit card or even your PayPal account, so that you can go ahead and pay for the Prime Video subscription. But to give you a basic context, this is it on how you can pay for Amazon Prime Video monthly. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.